Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to link Google Assistant to a power button on ULEFONE Note 18 Pro. Firstly, go into the settings. Now scroll to the very bottom of this page and go into System, then into Gestures, and then you can tap on press and hold power button, and here you can either choose to hold for assistant. So if you press and hold for a short time, it's going to enable Google Assistant, and if you hold it for a bit longer, it's going to activate the power menu. Yes, or should I? Yeah, my bad, not to press longer, but you should press power button and volume up at the same time. So yeah, right here, or just enable power menu after pressing the power button. And that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have more questions, let us know in the comments.